Okay, so I'll just get to my things open.
Can you get to your...
Yep. Okay.
Cool,
Good.
you there?
Good.
Okay, so Ben's actually from CIT and he works in our... what are you called now?
It's the AMEP. Oh, the vocational...
Vocational college?
It's the communication college.
Communication college. Sorry, we just had a big restructure last year and they're still changing names a little bit. And so Ben's going to present today about PoodLL, which is a plugin for...
Thank you, Penny. Thanks for that. Hello, everyone. And thanks for coming today. I'm Ben Waller. I'm an ESL teacher at CIT, teaching in the Adult Migrant English program. And I'd just quickly like to thank Leslie Coccarelli, a colleague who gave me this opportunity to talk because she couldn't make it. And also to Justin Hunt, he's the creator and developer of PoodLL, for offering some graphics and information today. I might just go back. So that's me. I'm at CIT. We'll just go straight in to talk about what PoodLL is, some of the widgets in PoodLL, and activities that you can do using PoodLL, and any questions at the end. I'll also demonstrate today I've got a camera and a headset to see how it works as well. Okay, so the first one. What's PoodLL? It's an open source language lab. It's free, and it's a set of plugins for Moodle. And to quote the developer on the Moodle website, it's a set of plugins that adds audio and video recording functionality to Moodle, and it also comes with a range of useful widgets to enhance Moodle activities. So using PoodLL, you can build courses that turn your Moodle installation into something like a language lab. At CIT, we've only just recently had it installed, and we've got the audio working, but not the video as yet. So today I'm going to use the PoodLL demo site to do these demonstrations today. Good. So just to go over, PoodLL is a set. I'll just start again. The main functionality of PoodLL is at the top here. It's an audio and video recording and drawing pictures, and you can see that's the core part of the functionality. And the bottom here is some interactive widgets. So here's the flashcard, and in the centre, calculator, and then there's timers and countdown timers. So that's other functions of PoodLL. While I'm here, just one analogy that can describe what PoodLL, how PoodLL works in Moodle. It's like a Mexican restaurant. It doesn't matter what you order; you end up getting, if you order sour cream, cheese, guacamole, or beans, whatever you like, you get it just all differently served to you in different ways. And I think PoodLL is like that. It's whether it's an assignment submission, a question type, a database activity field, or the HTML editor, you can access the tools in Moodle. Okay, I'll just go to the next one, which is what are the plugins. So, like I said, the center one here, it's the core function of PoodLL is audio, video, and the drawing. in a whiteboard, and that's the core part in the plugin, which is they call it the filter, and then around that you have 8 other plugins or that make up the complete plugin, if you like. So here you've got the assignment and submission at the top, which is up here, which was from 2.3 Moodle onwards. Assignment feedback, the same. An older assignment type, 2.2. And then there's the question type, which is I think that's the quiz in Moodle. And then there's also the 2 editors here. The newer one, the Atto editor, which is I think was from 2.6 onwards, and the older Tiny MCE editor. There's a repository and a database field as well. So that's the collection, and I'll just go on to the widgets. So some of the widgets here on the screen, on the top left is the flashcard widget. So you can, if you click on the blue the picture, it'll flip over to the other side with a question or something else on the other side. You can go forward and back with next and back here. The top one up here is a whiteboard, so you can draw here. And then this is a countdown timer. This little icon here is just a player for just a single word or a short phrase. This one here is a once time player, so that could simulate a test. The student can only play once only, and they can't play it back. And then this one is just a counter, I think. Yeah. All right. So I just want to show you what it looks like, and I'm just going to go over to the demo PoodLL site. I put these links into the course area so you can have a look. Okay, this is the PoodLL homepage, which has all the information about PoodLL, and the demo site is here. So it's demo.poodll.com, and you can just enter. I should say that there's passwords here from 0, 1 to 50, and the same number for the username and password. Sorry. There's also an administration login, so you can see what it looks like as an administrator. So we'll just go in as a student. I did put something here. I think it was under this login. Just a note: whatever you do on this site, it stays there for 24 hours. It gets reset the following day. So I might just go into here. This is there's a number of so it's just a demo site. There's a number of examples here, and you can see topics. The topic 1 is audio and video recording, and I'll just open that up. Okay. Oh, there's nothing here. Might just go back out. I did put something here. Maybe it was under user 50. Let's just try. Okay, yeah, so this was just using the assignment and recording audio. So it was to get the student to read aloud and record their voice. And I started to do this, and this is how it looks when the student has submitted. It's just here as a player. So you can just play.
Hello, this is Ben. I'm just testing this reading passage in PoodLL, and it's 7 ghosts.
So I did that actually on my laptop earlier. You can edit your submission just by clicking here and then re-recording. I'll go to the next one, which is the video recording feature. So this is what I did earlier from the laptop. Okay. It should play. It's not going to play.
Hello, I'm Ben Waller. I'm talking at the Moodleposium 2014, and this is a test video recording using PoodLL, and the topic is Toy Talk. Maybe just talk about my...
So here, you know, the idea is you can get the students to talk and record themselves here. This is just an example, simple page to be able to do that. And I'll just go back. There's one other one here, the quiz. Okay, so you go to attempt your quiz, and there's there's 3 pages here, and this is how you do to start off recording audio or video. You just have to allow the player here. Okay, and then you can press record. Now I've got it set up here with an external headset. So if I just, it should work. Hello, testing 1. No signal. Okay, looks like it's not going to work. It's a little bit of an error here. So it mightn't be properly connected. It was earlier, it did work. So maybe I can't demonstrate that one. So if I can go next, didn't record anything. No. This is not going to. Just wanted to show you the. Oh well. The next page. Okay. No. Yeah. I'll just go. Okay. Well, that's no. I might just go back. Okay. Yes, I have to allow it here. So there's a little. It's 2. Might have to click. I'll just try that again. Hello, testing 1, 2, 3. There's a signal. Yeah, so maybe it was the top permission at the top I had to click. So that's just going to demonstrate that. And then stop. You can listen back. This was supposed to be about a happy memory. And just give it a sec to upload. An error occurred. Hello, testing 1, 2, 3. There's a signal. Yeah, so maybe it was the top. Okay, so then you can go next, submit that. or do it again. In that case, I should have. This is the video, so it's the same thing. The video is just on that door over there. So I'll just press record and hello, can you see me? Hello, testing, 1, 2, 3. Okay, and I'll just stop. Playback. Hello, can you see me? Hello, testing, 1, 2, 3. So stop that and then go next. I'm happy with that. And the last one I think was using the whiteboard. So I just demonstrate the whiteboard. Draw a picture of yourself. That would be fun. It's just loading. So you get some tools here. You can, I think fill, use different colors. You can. I think that's a. I'll just go for a picture, and then save picture, and then next. Okay. So.
Then do those all have to be marked by a texture then?
Yes, as a quiz, I think you would have to go and have a look and mark them. Yep, after. So I'll submit and finish. There was one not yet an answered, the first one. So that's my record and the date and etc. So I think you can just review and then finish. It's just converting that video. So it might just take a second. I just reload the page. Still converting. And it should be there. So that's the core parts of PoodLL. I encourage you to go to that site and have a look if it's loading the demo site. It's really good. There's lots of other activities to look at there. Also, I've only got a few minutes now, so I'd like to show you this other site, which is the PoodLL Association of Japan. There's a good load of actually PoodLL courses that people share and put up. So and there's one in here that's about using PoodLL, which is I think put up by the developer, and you can just register here. If I go, what is it called? Mostly talking activities, I think. Mostly talking activities. And here it is, number 36. And so here's another resource of talking activities that you can do with PoodLL, and I guess it's been set up so that you can, have a look at as a way of, using it in the classroom. There's some good ones here. For example, there's a video. This one's this bacon is with a video of a man giving a short presentation, and it has the counter, and just the idea is to listen to how many times he says the word bacon, and you can just click the counter and so listening activities from based on video. Also, there's pair work activities here, yes and no, where I guess with this activity you just be with a classmate, at the computer, and you have a timer. This has got a timer, 1 minute countdown timer. And can you see that? It's sort of ask your friend these questions, or based with these sentence structures, and they've got to say, yes 8 times, and you try to do that in a minute. So I guess it's a warmer activity. So that's the use of that of the timer, or the countdown timer. And there's a whole lot more here as well. What else? The other thing I'd like to say is that I did try using PoodLL, just like going to that demo site and using my phone to record audio and video. And I have an Android, and it worked fine. Didn't have an issue, and it works similarly on Apple devices. Though with an Apple device, when you're recording audio, it'll record video as well at the same time, and then just discard the video when it uploads it. I think it just takes the audio, but it records by default audio and video. But yeah, in my experience so far, it's worked well on mobile devices. So that's really encouraging, because the students be able to do this sort of listening, or audio recording on the run, or outside of class. So which is good. What else? The other thing I put a link to was this one. There's a link to this filter cheat sheet, and these are little strings that allow you to just get the widgets on a page in Moodle or anywhere. I think when you have PoodLL embedded into Moodle, you can put these strings into the editor, and a widget will appear. For example, the stopwatch, the countdown, timers, etc. And you can get an instance of those widgets anywhere, just if you need to. But and they're there as well. Don't know if I need to show you that, but it's sort of time. So, any questions? Any questions? Yep. Site, yeah. Yep.